Hey, welcome. I'm the Crypto Coach Blockchain Wayne. In this video, I'm going to show you how to utilize FIO Send within the Bitcoin.com wallet. It's an easy way to send cryptocurrency using your FIO Crypto handle instead of that long string public address. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin.com wallet. I have it pulled up behind me. And here we are. You can see I'm on the Bitcoin.com wallet. You see some of the cryptocurrencies that are supported here. And for this demo, I'm going to hit Bitcoin. I'm going to send Bitcoin. And from there, I will simply hit Bitcoin and then hit Send. And from here, let me tap this little who can I send to just to show you. You see it mentions FIO as one of your options to send your crypto. So I'm going to type in a FIO crypto handle. For demo purposes, I'm going to send this to Blockchain Wayne at Edge. Type it in just as simple as typing in an email address. And once I finish typing it, it's going to let me know if that's a valid address, which it shows it has a mapped address. And let's say I want to send $5. I hit 5, and now I'm just going to slide at the bottom to send. As simple as that. Slide it, and it is sent. That's how easy it is to send cryptocurrency within the Bitcoin.com wallet using FIO Send. So that's it. Make sure to check it out. Get your Bitcoin.com wallet and set up your FIO crypto handles.